profit. Professional education. Number 1. Which group of the philosopher maintained that truth exists in an object order that is independent of the knower? A. Idealist. B. Pragmatist. C. Essentialist. D. Realist. The correct answer is D. Realist. Realists believe in an object reality independent of the knower. Number 2. What measure of central tendency does the number 16 represent in the following for data? 14, 15, 17, 16, 19, 20, 16, 14, 16. A. Mode. C. Median. C. Mode and median. D. Median. The correct answer is C. Mode and median. 16 appears most frequently, which is mode, and is in the middle value when ordered, which is the median. So therefore the correct answer is C. Number 3. Availment of the Philippine Education Placement Test or PEPT for adults and out-of-school youth is in support of the government's education program towards blank. A. Equitable access. B. Quality. C. Quality and relevance. D. Relevance. The correct answer is A. Equitable access. PEPT provides opportunity for those outside the formal system to gain educational credentials. Number 4. Which one can best evaluate students' attitudinal development? A. Easy test. B. Portfolio. C. Observation. D. Short answer test. The correct answer is B. Portfolio. Portfolio shows development and reflection over time. That is why the correct answer is B. Number 5. Teacher Yu teaches to his pupils that pleasure is not the highest good. Teacher teaching is against what philosophy? A. Realism. B. Hedonism. C. Epicureanism. D. Empiricism. The correct answer is hedonism. Hedonism equates pleasure with the highest good. Number 6. Standard deviation is to variability as mode to blank. A. Level of difficulty. B. Discrimination. B. C. Correlation. D. Central tendency. The correct answer is letter C. Correlation. Number 7. Which test has broad sampling of topic as strength? A. Objective test. B. Short answer test. C. Essay test. D. Problem type. The correct answer is essay test. Essay test allows for broader coverage of material compared to objective tests. Number 8. I combine several subject areas in order to focus on single concept for interdisciplinary teaching. Which strategy or method did I use? A. Problem-centered learning. B. Thematic instruction. C. Reading-writing activity. D. Unit method. The correct answer is D. Unit method. The unit method organizes curriculum around central themes or concepts. Number 9. Which teaching activity is founded on Bandora's social learning theory? A. Lecturing. B. Modeling. C. Questioning. D. Inductive reasoning. The correct answer is D. Inductive reasoning. Modeling is a key component of a social learning theory. Number 10. Based on Edgar Dale's cone of experience, Which activity is closest to the real thing? A. View image. B. Attend exhibit. C. Watch a demo. D. Hear. Correct answer is B. Attend exhibit.